It's a spare key on a 2011 VW Golf. The working key is in the ignition and turned on. This is our new key. We're going to try copying with Autel. Exor said it would be 90 minutes before it could clone. So we're connected to the internet. Go IMO, accept, go along to VW. We want smart selection, and we're going to be looking for an option of copy 48. Copy Megamos 48, something like that. Yes, that's our vehicle. So the time on the car's saying 002. So that's just a lot of information. We'll press OK. Escape that, that's just more information. Clone 48 key, that's what we want. So it will just start in its own time. A blank key must be cloned, yes. Insert the working key and turn the ignition on. Working key is on. Okay. So we just sit and wait for it to do its thing. So soon, when it finishes reading the IMO data, there we go, lights come up, performing key cloning. So our key chip, we know from reading that there, the chip ID is C4, so it's like the key ID already existed in the vehicle. So C4, that is that key. So press OK. So at this point, place a working key. We're going to be putting our new key and press OK. So although it says working key, it does mean the new blank key. The clock is reset for some reason, so that's fine. Key cloned successfully. Okay. So now we'll take this key out. And we'll leave it a few seconds, and then we'll put this one in and it will start it. And that is key cloning using Autel and the XP400. Exors would take too long. That's the working key, that's the new key. Thank you.